We're going to start by clicking the hamburger menu, My Time, Timesheet, Current Timesheet. You can make the request by clicking the Change Request button on the top right of the current timesheet. You'll select the change type. You'll have 7 different options to choose from. We're going to go through 6 of these 7 options. The first one is going to be to add a punch in. To do that, you'll click the Add Punch In option and then type in the date that you want to add the punch in. Then you'll put the time that you want your punch in to be for. To switch between AM or PM, you'll just click the AM or PM button off to the side of the time. It'll want you to put a comment in this request as well. After you've put that comment, you can hit Submit Changes. Now we're going to do another change request, so we're going to click that button again, and then this time we're going to be doing an add a punch out. So just like our last request, you'll put in the date, and then you'll also put in the time that you want to put the punch out for. It'll also want you to put a comment in. And then once you're done, you'll hit Submit Changes. Next, we're going to do the same thing and hit the Change Request button. And this time we're going to cancel our time off. So you'll see that we have 8 hours on Thursday. You'll click that Thursday and then select the time off option. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to put a comment for why you want to cancel the time off. After you put your comment, you can hit Submit Changes. Next, our change type will be Modify Punch In. Here you'll be able to see all the days that you have punches in. For this example, we'll click Tuesday, and we want to modify one of our punches, so you'll click the one you want to modify. I've selected the 12:30. Now I'm going to put the new time that I want it to be. It'll also want you to put a comment in here as well. Once you're done, you can hit Submit Changes. Next, we're going to do a Modify Punch Out. It's very similar to modifying Punch In. You'll click the date you want to modify and the time you want to modify. You'll put in the corrected time and then add your comment. Once you're done, you'll hit Submit Changes. Now we'll move on to our final change request type. That's going to be Modify Time Off. So you'll select the day that you want to modify and hit the arrow. For this example, I'm going to say that instead of taking 8 hours, I want to take 4. You'll want to put in a comment that goes back to your manager for why you want to change the time off request. And then once you're done, you'll hit Submit Changes. To view your previous change request, you'll go to the hamburger menu, My Time, Timesheet, Change Request. Here you'll be able to view all the ones that you've submitted, as well as delete them if your manager hasn't already processed them. To delete them, you'll hit the trash can and then it'll confirm and you'll hit delete.